Hello guys, you are welcome to today's Yoruba class. Ẹ kú dédé ìwòyí o ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Mo kí yín káàbọ̀ sí kíláàsì ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá tòní. What we have to teach ourselves today is months in a year. Ohun tí a láǹfààní láti fi kọ́ra wa lónìí, òun náà ni àwọn oṣù tó wà nínú ọdún. As we all know, in Yoruba language, we have names that we call each month in a year. And we all know that we have 12 months in a year. Now, let's see what we call them in Yoruba language. January, Shere. Can I hear you? Shere. February, Èrèlé. Èrèlé. March, Ẹrẹ́nà. Can I hear you? Ẹrẹ́nà. April, Igbe. April, Igbe. May, Èbìbí. Can I hear you? Èbìbí. Ìgbọ́. Èbìbí. June, Òkúdù. June, Òkúdù. July, Agẹmọ. I can't hear you. Agẹmọ. One more time. Agẹmọ. August, Ògún. August, Ògún. Again, Ògún. September, Ọ̀wẹ̀wẹ̀. Again, Ọ̀wẹ̀wẹ̀. I can't hear you, please. Ọ̀wẹ̀wẹ̀. October, Ọ̀wàwà. October, Ọ̀wàwà. One more time, please. Ọ̀wàwà. November, Bélú. Again, Bélú. December, Ọ̀pẹ. I can't hear you, please. Ọ̀pẹ. Ọ̀pẹ. Palm tree. For more Yoruba class, check us on our website. Kindly click on www.yorubaworldview.com. You can drop your comment below, like, and share with your loved ones. Drop your comment and make sure you like, share it with your loved ones. If you have any question that you would like the teacher to answer you, you can kindly call this number or WhatsApp this number 090 34 64 61 83. Bye guys.